Alright, so I'm going to show you the very basics of Pixel Edit, just how to get started with a new project. So the first thing I'm going to do is come down here to my taskbar and open up Pixel Edit that's already been downloaded. And if you need help downloading it, ask a teacher. But I had already pinned it to my taskbar, so I'm going to open up the icon. It's this heart icon right here. And I'll let that open, and it is open. Alright. So the first thing it opens up is a blank canvas and a bunch of toolbars that don't have anything in them. So I'm going to go to File and I'm going to go to New. And right now I'm just going to work on one image. So number of tiles, I'm just going to do one tile by one tile. I'm not going to do any animations or anything, so just this one simple tile to get started. And I'm going to say, even though this might be your first time doing pixel art, you don't want to start too small. So I think 32 by 32 is a good start, and you can increase the size as you feel more comfortable with pixel art. So let's create this, and there we go. So now I have a good canvas to get started. And right away, if you move your mouse, you can see the color and the size of your brush real quick. So right now, I can look over here. My size is 1. If I ever want to increase that size, I can just use this. But since I'm working on a 32 by 32, 1 pixel is perfect. And I'm using my, if you hover over this, you get a bunch of icons. But let's see here. I'm using my pen tool. And you can see there's even a shortcut, D, on my keypad if I want it. Over here is my eraser tool. And these are going to be the primary ones I'm going to use as I'm getting started for the very first time. And you can change all sorts of stuff here, but you'll learn this, all these different tools through all the different lessons and tutorials you're going to be going over. So this is the first thing to get started. I can see I just have one layer going on right now, so I'm not yet getting into layers. I have a color palette if I want to quickly access colors. Or I can double click, just like in Construct, I can double click this color and pick my own. And change, the scale to different shades here, and go with my different colors here, and then I can start coloring. Just left mouse button, just like you would in Construct. And this is a pretty janky one, but it works. Got a little smiley face, and if I don't want to erase it, I click the eraser tool. And right now the eraser tool is also set to 1, so I'm only going to erase 1 pixel at a time. Or if I'm just going to really, boom, go crazy, I can set it really big and do it that way. So there you go. That's how to quickly get started with a new project. File, New, set the size and the tile width and height, and you're good to go. And then, of course, always save. So I'm going to save, save, save. The first time, it'll let you pick a location. And so you can rename it right here. Test, and save it. And there you go. And so now it's saved, and you can, if a teacher ever needs your file to help you with something, you can send them the file that you just saved, and they will be able to open it in Pixel Edit. All right? For more information on how to export, we will go over that in another lesson. Have fun!